Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing a tutorial using the I Heart Revolution Mint Chocolate Palette, and I'm going to be doing a teal cut crease, so I hope you enjoy. The first shade I am using is this tan matte shadow. I am going to use this as my transition shade. And I am bringing the color up near my brows. The next shadow I am using is this matte teal eyeshadow. I am using an Anastasia Beverly Hills dual-ended brush. I'm using the flat side. I am going to create an outline of the cut crease shape that I'm going to do, and I am placing this above where my natural crease is. And I am just doing this whole outline until I extend the shadow near the ends of my brows. So I am taking some of the base and I am going to outline and cut the crease. Now I'm going to be using this shimmer blue eyeshadow. I am going to place this all over the areas where I concealed. Now I'm going to clean the edges where I put the shimmer shadow. Now I am going to create a wing with the base because I'm going to add the teal matte shadow on there. I am using this angled brush. I am going into the teal matte shadow. I will place this wherever I just created a wing. For my lower lash line, I am also going to be using the teal shadow. I'm going to use this metallic green shadow. I'm going to place that shadow near my tear duct. I am using this gold shimmer shadow. I will be placing this on my brow bone and inner corners. I'm just going to put a little bit on. So this this is how my look turned out. I hope you enjoyed it. And this is the mint chocolate palette that I used from I Heart Revolution. The only shadow that is a little hard to work with is the shimmer blue shadow. I did need to pack it on a lot. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.